Hello and welcome to the 7th match in round 3 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Solid Base Preparatory from St. Catherine up against Excelsior Primary from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Kadeen Foot, and the action begins right now. So we had the coin toss earlier. Solid Base won and decided to go first. So we start off section 1, and in this section we ask the teams questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer, and we'll begin with Solid Base with Bible knowledge. What was wrong with the man whom Jesus told to stretch forth his hand?
He was blind. He was blind.
Incorrect. His hand was withered. Excelsior, what illness did the woman who touched the hem of Jesus' garment suffer from?
An issue of blood.
Correct. Solid Base science. Basalt is an example of which type of rock?
Igneous rock. Igneous rock.
Correct. Excelsior, quartzite is an example of which type of rock?
Sedimentary.
Incorrect. It's metamorphic. International affairs. It's a visual. Solid Base. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
El Salvador.
Incorrect. It's Nicaragua. Excelsior, do the same. Look at the monitor and identify this country's flag.
Guatemala. Guatemala.
Correct. English language. Solid Base. What part of speech is the word hard as used in the sentence? We worked hard all week.
Adjective. Adjective.
Incorrect. Adverb. Excelsior, what part of speech is the word sweet as used in the sentence? The sweet strawberries tasted so good that we asked for more.
Adjective.
Correct. Television, for Solid Base, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the character.
Arrow.
Incorrect. It's Hawkeye. Excelsior, look at the monitor as well and identify the character.
Black Widow. Black Widow.
Correct. General knowledge. Solid Base, what nickname was given to former British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher?
Iron Lady. Iron Lady.
Correct. Excelsior, Avril Campbell was the first female Prime Minister for which country?
England.
Incorrect. It's Canada. Social studies. Solid Base, in which Jamaican parishes can Dovecote burial sites be found?
St. Elizabeth.
Incorrect. St. James and St. Catherine. Excelsior, which parish or parishes is referred to as the corporate area?
Kingston and St. Andrew. Kingston and St. Andrew.
Correct. Music. Solid Base. Cornell Hayes Jr. is the birth name of which popular international rapper?
Nelly. Nelly.
Correct. Excelsior, Sean Corey Carter is the birth name of which international rapper?
Jay-Z.
Correct. Mathematics. Solid Base, is 29 a prime or composite number?
Prime. Prime.
Correct. Excelsior, true or false? A prime number is divisible by only two numbers, 1 and itself.
True. True.
Correct. Sports. Solid Base is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican footballer.
Jermaine Taylor. Jermaine Taylor.
Correct. Look at the monitor, Excelsior, and identify this Jamaican footballer.
Leon Bailey.
Incorrect. It's Kemar Lawrence. Jamaican affairs. Solid Base. What is the full name of the ministry headed by the Honorable Desmond Mackenzie?
The Ministry of Local Government and Community Development.
Correct. Excelsior. What is the name of the full ministry headed by Honorable Olivia Grange?
Ministry of Sports, Entertainment, Gender, Culture.
Correct. Sports for Solid Base. What sport is primarily played at Wimbledon?
Lawn tennis. Lawn tennis.
Correct. Excelsior. What sport is primarily played at the Lord's Ground in England?
Cricket. Cricket.
Correct. Science. Solid Base. Which common eye condition causes blurry vision due to the irregular shape of the cornea?
Astigmatism. Astigmatism.
Correct. Excelsior, what condition is known as the clouding of the lens in the eye that affects vision?
Cataracts.
Correct. And that's the bell signaling the end of section 1. The scores are Solid Base Prep on 8 and Excelsior on 10. So we go for a break, but please listen up for the friendly tip from NCB first. Help to keep germs away by washing hands often with soap and water. The cleaner the hands, the healthier you will be. When we return, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.